In this question, you have to identify the correct statement for nucleolus. Option A, larger nucleoli are present in dividing cells. Now, it is incorrect because during cell division, whether it is mitosis or meiosis, the nucleolus usually dissembles and becomes less prominent. Option B, it is a membrane bound structure. It is also incorrect because the nucleolus is not a membrane bound structure. Rather, it is a dense, irregularly shaped region within the nucleus, which is formed by the aggregation of ribosomal RNA proteins. Option C, it is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Now, the nucleolus is the main site for rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA transcription and processing. And it is also involved in the assembly of ribosomal subunits by combining rRNA with ribosomal proteins. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, it takes part in spindle formation. It is also incorrect because spindle formation is mainly carried out by microtubules originating from the centrosomes in animal cells.